Hello dear students, once again welcome back. Now in today's session we are going to talk about herbal formulations. Herbal formulation, this is also the part of our syllabus in unit 3, the last topic. So in syllabus, as per the PCI, what we have to study, that is conventional herbal formulations like syrups, mixtures and tablets. Apart from that, we have to also try to study novel dosage forms like phytosomes and so many. So this is the actual content of the syllabus. What in today's presentation we are going to cover is, we are going to start with the herbal drug industry, then herbal formulation, conventional formulations, as well as novel dosage forms. So we are going to talk about these points. So I hope you are ready with your notebooks, so that be prepared to note down the essential points. Here we go. Herbal drug industry. In herbal drug technology subject, we are dealing with almost every aspect of herbal drugs as well as herbal formulation. Together, all these things, they support the herbal drug industry. What exactly the herbal drug industry is? Even though you are familiar with the herbal drug industry, still I would like to revise little bit about herbal drug industry. And in that information, there is an answer why exactly we are going to study herbal formulations. So herbal drug industry is a term used for the organizations which are associated with some functions, or we can say associated with, first of all, crude drugs. Crude drugs. So crude drugs function means organization which deals with cultivation, collection, as well as sell that crude drug to the market. Apart from crude drugs, the further derived products of the crude drugs. Derived products such as volatile oils or some unorganized crude drug like mucilages, they need to be extracted from the crude drugs. So these comes under derived products. Again, cultivation, collection and selling of these derived products also includes. Third step, all these things supports the preparation of herbal formulations. So the organizations which deal with preparation, standardization and selling of herbal formulation also contributes to the, we can say, to herbal drug industry. At last, the most essential component for the development of the herbal drugs, or we can say for the future prospects, that is research. So the research related with the herbs and those organizations which carry out research related with the herbal drugs, they also comes under the herbal drug industry, or the revenue generated from all these components like crude drugs, derived products, herbal formulations, research related with herbs contribute to the overall revenue of herbal drug industry. However, the most important thing, that if we support herbal drug industry, then there is a need that there must be enhancement of acceptability of herbal medicine. So people must accept, or people must use herbal medicines, and for that there is a huge necessity to convert these herbal medicine into proper dosage form. Why to convert into the proper dosage form? Because we all are aware the need of pharmaceutical industry is, until and unless you are converting your active pharmaceutical ingredient to the appropriate dosage form, a patient is not able to consume that active pharmaceutical ingredient. No doubt, your medicinal plants are very much active, or they do have therapeutic effect, or they do have potential to act as a medicine, but in the modern pharmaceutical industry, there is a necessity that we must convert that medicinal plant into a proper dosage form, that is formulation. And hence, in this part of our syllabus, we are going to deal with herbal formulation so that my students will come to know about greatness or importance of the herbal formulation, as well as my students will get idea regarding which type of herbal formulations are available in market, as well as what are the future prospects of herbal formulations. So in our syllabus, as they describe, we have to study conventional herbal formulation and novel herbal formulation. So conventional herbal formulation. First of all, what is the meaning of conventional? Conventional, the dictionary's meaning is that based on or in accordance with generally done. Means if some activity is done conventionally, means it is done in accordance with the what is generally done, usual practice, or done by traditional way. So even though there is a synonym that conventional is very similar with the traditional, but we are not going to stick only with the traditional herbal formulation, as we are going to study little bit a modern dosage form also. We all are aware that since ancient time, medicinal plants have been formulated in various dosage form, and various alternative system of medicine like Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, Chinese, Amachi. So likewise there are so many alternative system of medicine, and they contributed a lot by their side in order to formulate dosage form of various medicinal plant. In Ayurveda, there is a simple dosage form as well as several complex dosage form. Simple dosage form means they are related with the only one herb, we can say. Complex, multiple herbs are incorporated in these dosage form. So alternative system medicine associated with the various dosage form, and even though in a chapter 1, in a unit 1, we dealt with various Ayurvedic dosage form like Asava, Arishta, Avaleha, Gutika, Bhasma, Churna. We all studied these dosage form. We studied their formulation as well as evaluation in unit 1. So definitely these traditional dosage form can be considered as a conventional dosage form. Additionally, we need little bit more information what are these conventional dosage form. So we all aware about classification of the dosage form. So if we are going to classify the dosage form, we can classify them on the state, on their state, that is solid, liquid, semi-solid. So if we want to deal with conventional dosage form, first of all we are going to deal with the liquid dosage form. Liquid dosage form, there are few examples as you are aware about: decoctions, infusions, tinctures, syrups, aromatic waters, emulsions, glycerides, and oxymels. So these could be the examples of conventional liquid dosage form. We will discuss little bit regarding each dosage form and we will move further. Decoctions. What are decoctions? Even though in the last semester you studied several methods of extraction of crude drugs, at that time also you studied maceration, digestion, decoction, percolation, infusion. So all these method of extraction also they are going to lead, or they further can be converted into the formulation. So decoctions, very simple, the formulations or the preparations which are obtained by decoction method of extraction. So what is decoction? First of all, we are going to take a herbal drug and we are going to extract that herbal drug into the boiling water. And then again it is being concentrated. Later on it is filtered, and after that filter it is collected, and that is termed as decoction. The usual time for decoction is around 24 to 72 hours, no problem. So it is suitable for hard plant material. Next one is infusions. Infusions are made by using cold or hot water for herbal extraction. Infusions are the dilute solutions, we can say, because in infusion drug is exposed to the hot or cold water for very less time. Means infusions are the solutions of the readily soluble material, in short we can say. So we can get infusions, and tea, coffee, whatever we are preparing, lemon juices or lemon infusions, these are the examples. Next is tinctures. Up to decoction and infusion, we were having water as a solvent of extraction. However, in tincture, we are moving to the next category of solvent, that is alcohol. So tinctures are alcoholic or hydroalcoholic extract of herbal material. For preparation of tinctures, we usually take 1 part of a herbal material and 5 to 10 parts of the solvent like ethanol. However, tinctures sustainability, or we can say stability, is more as they are alcoholic preparations. So they can be stored for up to 2 years. Next dosage form is syrups. Syrups, they are viscous liquid containing high amount of sugar. We all are aware syrups means simple syrup is going to act as a base of syrups, and later on all other medicaments can be added into the syrup. Even though at the time of practicals we prepared Vasaka syrup, what we did, the same procedure you may write in the preparation of syrup, that is, first of all you selected the herbal material, then you powdered it, later on you extracted or decoction was prepared of the Vasaka leaves, then filtration was carried out, after that the filtrate was evaporated, so extraction was the next step. After the extract preparation, evaporate the solvent and you got the free flowing extract, and you added this extract to the syrup base, that is simple syrup you prepared at the same time. So in the preparation of syrup there are 2 steps. First you have to get the extract which you are going to add into the syrup and you have to prepare a base. So that is about the syrups. Next one is aromatic waters. Aromatic waters, they are quite simple to prepare. Simply we are going to shake, or we can say mix. We are going to try to mix the aromatic oils along with the water, and once it is being in a contact with the water for very long time, it will leave its smell or little bit therapeutic property along with the water. So it will get mixed along with the water. So later on we are going to add the talc and filtration is carried out. So whatever the remaining oil may get absorbed on the talc, and you will get aromatic water as a clear solution. Apart from that, emulsions, they are conventionally prepared emulsion. They are the biphasic dosage form, we all are aware, oral emulsions. So oil and water is being mixed along with the emulsifying agents. So simple, it is very simple to prepare emulsion. So emulsion can be considered as one of the conventional dosage form. Glycerides are the dosage form in which we are using 50 to 60% of a glycerin as an extraction solvent. So they are a little bit viscous preparation. The glycerin is itself viscous in nature, hence glycerides are also a little bit viscous preparation. Generally they are used to give the soothing effect. Also their stability or the shelf life is more as compared to the water extracts. So they are suitable for pediatric medicine. Lastly, oxymels. Oxymels, they are sweet and sour formulations containing honey and small amount of vinegar. So this honey and vinegar is considered as a carrier for the oxymels. So likewise, these are the various conventional dosage forms, that is we can say liquid dosage form. Moving towards